Hello, greetings. My name is Rafael Mwisa from Zambia. I am the member of the Economics Association of Zambia and I am the projects coordinator at the Young African Leaders Initiative. I am very excited to apply for this first ever fellowship on research and development, and therefore allow me to take this opportunity to air out my views on what I am reimagining what should be done in research and development. Particularly in research, I must recommend that as an Africans, we really need to be autonomous and we need to be independent and factual in the same way that we have been conducting research. I have noted with concern that almost all the dissertations and all the scholarly work that have been done by African scholars and African researchers, usually we have been making references to the research that have already been done by the Europeans and people from other continents. That on itself renders our findings irrelevant and questionable. Therefore, I propose that as we are going to be doing a lot of research, particularly in our context, we should be able to go on the ground and obtain first-hand information from the members of the public. Let us discourage this issue of going on the internet and find references from the already published research work and the scholarly work from Europeans, from Asians, from the Americans. We really need to go on the ground. And when we talk about development, I am advocating for sustainable development. Sustainability meaning that we should stop depending on the financial assistance and support from the developed countries, because even the things that we are going to be doing as Africans is going to be done in order to please the people that are going to be funding our projects. Therefore, sustainability stipulates that we need to invest so much in technology and in industry. If we are going to have a lot of industries, we need to have extractive industry and processing industries. Extracting industries should be owned by the African countries, such that we should be able to extract our own natural resources, because Africa is very blessed with a lot of natural resources and the raw materials that have been used in the manufacturing industries. So by establishing the extracting industries, we should be able to manufacture or rather import technology and machinery that are going to be extracting our minerals. We have got a lot of minerals, especially here in Zambia, but they are being run by foreigners. So if we can have these mines to be run by the Zambians, to be invested by the Zambians, if we can maybe import technology which are going to be used in those mines to extract copper, to extract emeralds, to extract gold, and because I've also spoken about establishing processing industries. Yes, we have a lot of natural resources, but the problem is that these ones we have been exporting them to Europe to be processed, and then they come back to be sold to us at a very expensive price. So the sustainable development that I'm proposing is that we should be able to establish the processing industries where we are going to be processing our raw materials and our natural resources into finished goods. If we process our natural resources, our raw materials into finished goods, it is going to give us the ability to be able to export our minerals as finished goods. If you export them as finished goods, meaning that we are going to be earning a lot of foreign exchange and we are going to improve on our balance of payment. I submit.